In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to an email in Gmail. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to respond to messages quickly and confidently. First, open Gmail on your desktop or mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Next, navigate to your inbox and locate the email you want to reply to. This could be from a colleague, friend, or any sender. Click on the email to open it and read the content thoroughly. Understanding the sender's message fully helps you craft a better response. Now, look for the reply icon, usually a backward arrow, at the top right of the email. Click on it to open the reply field directly below the original message. This is where you'll type your reply. Be clear, concise, and make sure to address any questions or points raised in the original email. You can also use formatting options like bold, italics, or bullet points to highlight important information or structure your message clearly. Before sending, reread your message to check for typos, errors, or anything that could be misinterpreted. A quick review ensures professionalism and clarity. Once you're ready, click the send button at the bottom of the reply field. Your message will be delivered almost immediately to the recipient. Congratulations, you've successfully replied to an email in Gmail. Practicing this regularly will help you become faster and more confident with email communication. Remember, effective communication is crucial in both personal and professional settings, so taking a little time to craft clear emails goes a long way. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Explore more videos on our channel to enhance your Gmail skills and become an email pro. Now you're ready to reply to any email with ease, keeping your inbox organized and your communication smooth. Happy replying.